Welcome to our channel. This channel features accident moments and their consequences. Every mistake is a lesson. It's up to us to learn from it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you're ready, let's begin. In Russia, a truck swerved into the opposite lane to avoid hitting the truck in front of it that suddenly stopped, but ended up crashing into another oncoming truck. As a result of the accident, both drivers were injured and taken to the hospital.
Good for him. Taking steps to improve his life.
Oh my God!
Hi, I'm Lee. You may recognize me from the Dr. Bernstein diet.
The next accident in Russia, a heavy, fully loaded vehicle that lost control, and a day when innocent people with no connection to the incident ended up suffering.
Vào thời điểm trên, chiếc xe đầu kéo biển kiểm soát mang biển kiểm soát 89A xe hư hỏng, tài xế và người ngồi đầu xe. Khi vụ việc xảy ra, lực lượng chức năng rõ nguyên nhân vụ tai nạn. 16990 kéo.
In Argentina, as a result of a car explosion at a gas station, 20 kilograms of narcotics worth $1,500,000 were scattered around the area. The most striking part is that the driver was a female police officer, and she was there with her 3 children. The fact that they were not inside the car at the time of the explosion saved their lives. However, she could not escape responsibility and had to answer before the court.
Hier, jetzt kracht's, jetzt kracht's!
BMW driver's one mistake caused major damage to a large car carrier and several brand-new KIA vehicles fresh from the factory. The BMW driver suddenly changed lanes from left to right and crashed into the side of the truck. The force of the impact pushed the carrier out of its lane and caused it to overturn. We should never lose focus on the road, even for a moment.
Lawety razem z kierowcą samochodu marki Audi zostali z kierowcą samochodu marki BMW jechali w kierunku Katowic. Samochodu BMW nagle zmienił pas.
Блять, Все, сделано. Тихо, тихо, все нормально, все нормально. Тихо, все хорошо.
In Singapore, a 23-year-old truck driver ran a red light and collided with a bus, causing the truck to skid for several meters. It was later revealed that the driver had been driving for only about 20 days and has since been held responsible.
Jezu!
112.
Jezu!
112.
Zjedź tam na bok szybko. Zjedź na...
In China, strong winds knocked a building column onto a bus. Although there were no fatalities or injuries, the bus sustained serious damage.
Cònเสียหายนะครับโดนรถนะครับกระจายนะครับโดนกระถางต้นไม้โดนรถนะครับประตูนะครับพังเข้ามาเลยนะครับ
In Malaysia, a fuel truck lost control, crashed into several cars, flipped onto one vehicle, and crossed into the opposite lane. 7 people were injured, and the truck caught fire.
Вот эти промышленные предприятия стали строиться тут. Вот здесь. Вот здесь. Что случилось? Провалился. Ни хрена.
The car, driven by a 20-year-old woman, fell from the 4th floor of the parking garage and landed upside down on the sidewalk. The driver escaped without serious injuries. The driver racing a pickup lost control, crossed into the opposite lane, and collided head-on with a truck. The car's driver was hospitalized as a result. In the Czech Republic, a heavy trailer of a cargo truck lost control, swerved from side to side, and overturned. The 39-year-old driver failed to adjust his speed to road conditions. The trailer was carrying a mini excavator, another truck, and a passenger car. The explosion of a welding tank inside the vehicle caused a horrific scene. 4 vehicles were damaged, and the windows of 6 homes were shattered. Fortunately, no one was nearby, and as a result, there were no injuries.
31st Avenue in South Ozone Park.
This vehicle was being used also.
SUV that exploded, and there's also damage to the cars that were parked nearby, and of course the homes as well. And take a look at the surveillance video showing the planning on using that car in just about 5 minutes before the explosion happened.